G'day guys, Tomo here from Show TV. I'm going to be showcasing one of our accessories from the deluxe accessory package, which is the sandwich cage. And we're going to be doing for you really simple steak sandwiches. So we're going to throw the steaks in the cage for you, show you how to do it in one of the easiest ways of doing a steak at home with your FryAir touch. So let's get into it. So we've got 4 beautiful porterhouse steaks here. I'm going to start with the 3 today that's going to fit perfectly in our sandwich cage. Start off by giving them a nice heavy seasoning with some beautiful marbled porterhouse steaks here. Bit of salt, bit of pepper, all they need. We don't need to rub any oil, any fat into that whatsoever. That air fryer is going to give us a beautiful crisp all over. And because we're using the sandwich cage accessory today, it works on the rotisserie, so that gives it the chance to rotate in the machine, crisping all over as it goes around from that really hot halogen glow. So, I'm going to place them in the cage for you like this. This is also the perfect accessory when you want to do things like your sausages, whether they're long, skinny, thin sausages or short, fat butcher sausages. You can pop them in long ways or like this as well. Great for your chicken strips, chicken schnitzel, even spring rolls. Just the perfect little baking cage that's going to give you a perfect crisp all over as it goes on that rotisserie. So let's chuck it in. Alrighty. Remember to pop in any of your rotisserie accessories into that back hole first, and then rest the front on the little hook there. You'll see there too, if you've got one at home, of course. Now, turn on your air fryer, go to your menu, and we can go through and select that steak option there. That sets the temperature and time for us, so 230 degrees at 12 minutes on the 3rd fan setting. And that's going to do that beautiful for us. If you don't want to use the sandwich rack, you want to go the old classic straight on the high rack, you can absolutely do that. Grab your steak, where did I put it? Place it on top, into the air fryer, set on the steak setting. You're still going to get a beautiful result that way as well, and you can go ahead and flip it halfway if you like. So, choice is yours. Alrighty. We'll get back to that in a few minutes. Alright guys, the 12 minutes is up and we are ready to pull the steaks out. Now, I have left them in the machine just for another 5 minutes to rest before cutting them up. So simple as that, putting it on that steak cycle, 12 minutes, 230 degrees, easiest way to get those steaks cooked beautifully, browned up on all sides there with that rotisserie sandwich cage. And I'm just going to go ahead and grab the tongs and pull out those steaks on the board for carving up. Found my tongs. Alrighty. Let's just see how we get about pulling these little babies out. There's 1, 2, and again guys, this little cage is perfect for sausages, chicken breasts, schnitzels, tenders, spring rolls, anything you want to do really quick and easy in the air fryer for a beautiful crisp result. That sandwich rotisserie accessory, and that was 12 minutes, 230 degrees, so simple. And remembering I just let them rest for another 5 minutes in there before we go carving them up, just to hold in some more of those juices. So let's get going and carve these up, have a little look. So you can see there, we've still got a little bit of pinkness there. Depending on how you like your steak, you can leave it longer or shorter. Whether you want a bit more medium rare, medium well done, really up to you. So you just drop that time, say down to 10 minutes for a little bit rarer. If you like it like that, that's beautifully done. Nice and tender. And we're gonna go ahead and pop these on our sandwich. Get rid of that fat. All right, slap it in some buns. Okay. So we just got a little selection of sauces here and a bit of salad. So we just got a nice little spicy mayo and some chutney, bit of beetroot relish. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some sauce on both sides. Whack on a bit of greenery in there too, bit of salad, bit of cheese, and some of that relish. It's gonna be really nice up the top there as well. Okie dokie, made enough of a mess of that. Alrighty, get our steak. Look at those beautiful little tender, slightly pink in the middle, little steak ribbons there. That's gonna be beautiful on our sandwich. Nice little bite-sized pieces, so you're not chewing away, getting big bits rip out of your sandwich, and that makes them super tender as well. So stack them up how you like them. A little bit of cheese on there as well, and a bit of salad, and we can call that done. How good's that? Beautiful. My turn. So there you have it, guys. Easy as it gets. 12 minutes on that steak cycle in the FryAir touch for that beautiful tender pieces of steak, and we've made a lovely little sandwich there. Delicious, so simple in that sandwich rack rotisserie. Doesn't get easier than that. Thanks again for watching, guys, and happy cooking.